Time we have an uptrend day in the repo. It's been a while. What's going on, everyone? Time to look at the repo numbers. For today, we're at 1,510,553,000,000. Recently, we've been trending down a big time. We had 1492 yesterday, 1495 the day before, 1579 on Monday. But, you know, majorly down from the last day of the year, 1904. So we've been 1904 to 1597 to 1495 to 1492 to 1510 is where we're at today. So we're back up over 15, which is 1.5 trill. Lots of money. 74 counterparties today. That has been trending down for the most part as well since last Friday. 103 to 76 to 72 to 69. 69 to 74. So today is the first uptrend we've seen since the first of the year in the repo, in the amount of counterparties and in the amount of repo demand. So again, to reiterate, 1.510 trillion. Lots of money. Have a good one.